Hello everyone. I'm Shakira. And welcome to another exciting tour with Design My Home SA. Today, we have the pleasure of showcasing Zunaid Qasim's stunning new house plan. Let's dive right in, shall we? As you can see, Zunaid has opted for a spacious yard. Perfect for outdoor activities and relaxation. Beautiful yard and garden. While the portable swimming pool adds a touch of luxury and fun to the backyard. And don't miss the charming gazebo. Perfect for entertaining guests.
Before we even step inside, take a moment to appreciate the cozy outdoor seating area on the balcony. It's the ideal spot to enjoy a cup of coffee or simply unwind after a long day. Truly amazing.
Flowing seamlessly. From the living room is the elegant dining area, featuring a table with 4 chairs, perfect for gathering the family for meals and creating lasting memories. And here we are, entering the heart of the home. The living room is beautifully designed with a comfortable L-shaped sofa. Strategically positioned to face the large screen TV for ultimate entertainment. Now, let's take a look at the kitchen. It's a chef's dream, boasting lavish cabinets, a stove for culinary creations, and a portable dishwasher for added convenience. On the other side, you'll find modern appliances including a fridge, microwave, and even a top-loader washing machine, making chores a breeze. As we move through the house, let's not forget the luxurious bathroom, complete with a lavish bath, a mirror for those finishing touches, and a refreshing shower for a spa-like experience. And here we have the cozy guest room, featuring a double bed adorned with cream and white linens, providing a serene retreat for visitors. Ample wardrobe space ensures guests feel right at home during their stay. Last but certainly not least, we have the exquisite master bedroom. The double bed is elegantly dressed in navy blue linens, adding a touch of sophistication to the space. With a chest of drawers and a spacious wardrobe, this room offers both style and functionality, creating a serene oasis for relaxation. And there you have it, folks. Zunaid's proposed house plan is a blending luxury, comfort, and functionality seamlessly. We work closely with clients to understand their needs, to create personalized house plans that reflect their vision and aspirations. Our team of skilled designers utilizes cutting-edge technology to bring these designs to life. We pride ourselves on delivering high-quality, innovative designs that prioritize functionality, comfort, and aesthetic appeal. Whether it's a cozy family home, a luxurious estate, or a modern urban apartment, we tailor our designs to suit the unique requirements of each client. From initial concept development to final execution, we are committed to exceeding our customers' expectations and turning their dream homes into reality. Stay tuned for more inspiring designs. Thanks for joining us today. Until next time.